If you know that you woke up in the morning without having your shower, you have already eaten. Raise up your hand. If you know that you woke up in the morning without having your shower, you start doing house job. Raise up your hand. All right, I have visitors this period, so I am organizing. You can see that all the food that I'm cooking this period, I'll be cooking a lot and a lot. Is for my visitors. Okay, so today I have another cooking that something that I have to prepare down. After putting my pepper soup aside, because I'm cooking a lot this period, so that when my visitor comes home, they have everything. Then I have to put this aside